Hi everyone, hope you're all doing good. Today I'm here with a very quick tutorial on how you can inside your Revit model, you can kind of classify your elements based on the spaces or room or project zoning system that you have. Then you can kind of add specific attributes to those elements and then get a quantity takeoff. So because typically in real projects are like kind of classified and separated with project zones, and then you need like what are the quantities of pipe in that specific zones or the ducts or something like that, or what are the quantities in that specific mechanical. Let's jump into Revit. Just imagine this is a model and we have like a floor plan, a bunch of pipes and ducts that are in this space. So what we can do here in order to set up our model, we can use easily the spaces. If we go under the Analyze tab, we can use spaces, and then we can create space. As you can see, it understands the boundary, and then you create your space. Now you have space number 4, for example, here. And now, for some reason, you want to see exactly the total length of pipes and ducts inside your space 4. So let's jump into Dynamo. We have a Dynamo scripts here, which like collects the information. So you put the category of the elements of the active view, and then it collects all the elements, and then you select your space. So we're going to select our space here, make sure our inputs are completed. And then the Dynamo will try to find the intersection of all the elements with the boundaries of that kind of space. And then we have two Python scripts that performs the split in a very organized way, and they are all written by myself and with the help of ChatGPT. I was able to, kind of organize the script in a way that there's no error and everything is fixed. So it was like a learning process for ChatGPT as well. So now we have the information ready. So we run it and done. And then we put ducts as well here, run it, and let's jump into the model. As you can see, all the elements intersecting this space are splitted. See, everything is splitted. And now we can easily select all the elements inside this space. Okay, let's select them again. See, fine. Even we can automate this process as well. I think this one, because it was like the below the space limit was not selected. But anyways, we can easily select all of these elements inside the space, and we can only keep the pipes, duct elements, and then, for example, add a comment to them that these are for space 4, and then we can go and do a takeoff, for example, on pipes. We can do a pipe schedule, and then we can bring like, I don't know, maybe the family and type, and then we can get the length of the pipe, and then for the comments, we can bring the comments, and in our filter, we can put the comments equals to space 4, and then we can go and get the total length of our pipes as well, and maybe we don't need to itemize them, and there you go. You have the total length of your pipes in millimeter as well. So maybe we can change the units as well. Make sure that we are using like meters, and then we should be fine. So you see 86 meters quickly. And if we select all these pipes, you're going to see that it selects all the pipes that are inside that. And we can do the same thing for the duct as well. We can select all of these ducts. And also you can automate this one. You can select this space. You can write a Dynamo scripts with Python, select the space, select all the elements inside the space, and assign tag parameters for them. So you can see how easily you can separate your mechanical and electrical and plumbing models as per the spaces or zoning system and get separate quantities from them. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.